Gaurang Shaya from Geojit Financial Services. Well, last week I believe I spoke to all of you all and I gave a market outlook on 29th. That was a Wednesday, and the advice was to try to book profits at higher levels and not to be adventurous at higher levels. We saw that last week Thursday there was a phenomenal rally, close to about 9,800 on the Nifty spot. And then from this week, Monday onwards, we saw the correction till about this morning. We saw the Nifty and Sensex bounce back from that 9150 on the Nifty spot to below 9200. The view is that the markets are going to be choppy, very, very volatile. So you need to be extremely careful as far as short to medium term trading is concerned, because you may open up with a gap up, gap down in the morning, and by the time you wind up the trade at 3:30, you are going to see a total different picture altogether on the Sensex and Nifty. So be extremely careful. You are going to get chopped off both ways. If you go long, there will be selling pressure in the market, and if you go short, evidently there'll be buying pressure, and that's what we witnessed yesterday. Also, markets opened up with a healthy gain, but by the time we closed the trade, the market Sensex was down close to about 400 plus points. So be extremely careful. Results, what we are seeing up till now, not great. Disappointment, some of positivity. We saw SBI Life and NIIT Tech come out with numbers yesterday. Both of them delivered in line. The view is that if the companies which are able to surpass or live up to the expectation as far as earning is concerned are going to perform much better. However, having said that, first quarter of this financial year and second quarter of this financial year, the pressure could be seen of this shutdown and COVID-19 impact, which could lead to more concern. Long-awaited government's fiscal stimulus still men at work, so there is still work going on. A possibility you will see by 17th of May that coming out in case if there is some news on that front. On the rupee front, we have seen rupee inch up closer to 76, maybe 75, 70, 75, 80 as we speak right now. That's going to be the broad range. Crude oil has seen some bounce back. That is not something that we should worry about, but it was good for the global oil producing nation, because lower crude oil prices below the production cost harms the interest of all those economies over there. I believe that this week we could see the Nifty, which is trading right now at close to 9300. There is a possibility that we may go towards 9500. So once again, I would advise short to medium term traders to book profits at those levels or any level beyond that. I don't see any runaway rally immediately now, unless and until you have some substantial positive news on a cure for COVID-19, or on the domestic front, the number of patients coming down and the recovery patients going up. So that's going to be a broad trading range, 9,000, 9,100 on the lower side Nifty spot, 93, 9,500 on the higher side. And my humble request is that traders and intraday traders, short to medium term traders, please be extremely careful. Don't try to be greedy. Try to book profits as and when you get it, and trade the market accordingly, as I have mentioned. Fund flows, not a real big concern. I think the focus right now is only on COVID-19 and a cure, and domestically the numbers coming down by the efforts taken by the center and the state government. Trade with cautious, but trade with the targets that I've given you, and accordingly try to book profits. Long-term investors, as I've always mentioned, any level closer to 9,000 or 8,800 would be a fantastic opportunity to buy. And look at companies with earning visibility, good corporate governance, less debt on the balance sheet, and of course on the numbers delivery as far as performance is concerned. See you again possibly very soon, but all the very best, and trade with cautious. Thank you.